What's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you guys a look at this GEARGO RV surge protector. This is the model FC03. As we open it up, you can see there's lots of protection. And then you've got the surge protector itself, nice and solid. It comes wrapped up with lots of protection again, lots of bubble wrap. Here is the actual plug. Again, it's protected. And you've got the metal right there. Then here you've got the actual cover and the actual protector itself. So you're going to go ahead and plug this into the plug at the campsite, wherever you are parking your RV, and then you open this up and you go ahead and plug your actual RV into this. And if there's any power surges at the campsite, if there's anything that goes wrong with the power source, this thing will get in the way and it'll protect all the electrical components in your RV. As you can see here, there's a color code. There will be different lights turning on if something is incorrect, such as reverse polarity, open ground, stuff like that. And there's red lights, there's green lights, 30 amps, 125 volts, 3,750 watts. So this thing provides a lot of power. That many watts, you can basically power up your entire RV, no issue at all the appliances, everything. And on the back, you've got their support information right here. Simply scan the QR code, simply email them. They've got great customer support. And there's some simple warnings on the back. This thing is pretty straightforward overall. And I like how everything is just on here. There's no need for a user manual. You basically just bring this with you and you'll be good to go.